shines. Our first stop is Grandma's house. We're at Grandma's house?
Yeah.
Yes. And here's my sweet girl. I put curls in her hair, so she has curls. And her outfit is, can you show me her outfit? So she's wearing that colored tights, a jeans skirt to cover her bum, and a shirt that says the joy of cats, right? Something. Okay. So we're at Grandma. Grandma just put her turkey in the oven. Here's the big old bird. Oh man, look at that thing. Ooh. His meat all going over there. This is
Potatoes.
potatoes. Hi. Are you thankful? Yes. I know you're thankful. Where's Max? Max! Are you thankful, buddy? Huh? Huh? Are you thankful? Huh? I go to my sister. And my husband decided he's gonna stay here with his mother. And my phone is dying. Hate when my battery's been messing up, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. I missed it, my husband and the big bird. He was able to flip it. Why are we fighting? That's why I love coming to Grandma, because this is all we're having. This and turkey. That way, when we go other people's houses, we can, you know, feast. Oh, look at you, Daddy. All my babies.
Sit down, Max. Bring the picture for Max. Bring the picture for Max. Bring the picture for Max. Max.
Why are you fitting take
Take the picture for Max. Bye.
Fighting?
Yeah.
You're just hugging.
It's hugging, yeah.
We're just doing that for fun. We're hugging. That's mine.
Daddy's still wrestling with the turkey. Don't know why.
This is mine. This is mine.
Here we go. Ooh, that's a big old knife. Babe, no, you ruined the turkey. Why did you do that?
Jordan, the chef is coming. We are the people, we're the people who, Jordan.
Yeah.
Jordan. Stab it. Jordan.
So the turkey have made its way
We are the people.
to the table.
They cut off the head.
Look.
Ew, is that the heart?
It's a heart. What? You want a bird, Jackson?
I know what that is.
Want a bird? No. Jackson, did you go?
No.
It's your
Mine
turn.
is so long.
Bueno, okay.
Oh, okay. Okay. Whose turn is it?
Grandma's?
Grandma.
What I
She
have
talking
to
for me.
say?
Thankful.
Oh, gracias
Ya, gracias
por este pavo rico.
por este pavo rico.
I don't know what to say.
Gracias.
I'm sorry.
I'm
girl.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Thank God
Thank God
for this turkey.
this turkey.
Thank God for my family.
Thank God for my family.
For we are together.
We are together.
Shut up. Shut up.
Shut up.
I'm
And
a little sad
a little sad
because my daughter
because my daughter
is
is
sad.
sad.
Why?
She don't
She don't
understand.
understand.
Why are you mocking
She don't
Grandma?
understand.
She don't understand.
She is
She
alone
alone
with Eleno
con Eleno.
and don't think
Y no
the turkey
Turkey.
is Serbia this time.
Serbia está.
Quiet! Shut up! Shut your mouth, please. Excuse me. I don't need a bell.
Vincent, get your parents.
Thank God
Oh
for
my
my
God.
grandchildren, for the food, for my son and my daughter-in-law.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Okay, who else?
Grandpa.
No, I take ready. I
No.
took it ready.
No, talk now.
No,
Talk.
no.
No, talk. Talk. You are intelligent. You repeat everything. Talk. You see? This is your grandpa.
He's crazy.
No me. Talk. You turn.
I need more turkey.
No, don't eat no more.
That's it.
You have it over there.
Have more dinner to go eat.
Your turn.
Your turn.
My
Max.
turn.
Okay.
It's Jackson's turn.
No, your turn.
You.
Jackson can't
I'm
talk.
thankful for my turn. I'm thankful for my family. Thankful for grandma's family. Thankful for my cousin's family. And thankful for my shelter. Everybody's shelter. And that's it.
No, you take your mouth.
Your hand touch your mouth.
You put the hand in your mouth. Take it out.
If not, nobody
finished?
understand.
Yeah.
Nobody
That's
understand.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you repeat
I
again?
love my granddaughter. You
That's
shut.
how much.
Shut. Oh my God. When it's his turn, don't talk in.
Not talking.
When the body talking,
The body
he
talking?
Oh my God. What?
Huh?
Milk?
No,
Milk?
No.
You don't need the food if you want more milk.
You're gonna get sick.
And drink the cup, the
Alright, guys.
chocolate milk.
That's it?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, well, my
You can put this in Facebook.
No put the flavor.
Please.
Please.
Mabel.
Yes.
Or with...
Yes, me.
Or with...
Me, Mabel, Albornoz.
And your grandma will sue you.
Grandma's not gonna sue me.
Yes, you make videos. And...
She put this in Facebook?
No.
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 What?
Okay. On YouTube.
Where?
YouTube.
And YouTube? Oh my! And then YouTube? No!
Oh man.
You don't put this in YouTube.
I make sure I hear what this disgusting thing was. She was suing
Oh no, my God!
You don't know what was And but
Oh,
it's
You can
daddy.
imagine all the people
And then-
see this
and
crazy
then
woman say,
Destiny-
"Hi,
Destiny-
this is neighbor." Oh
We're gonna
my
live with
God.
grandma.
So this grown woman over here trying to give me pepper jack to eat. Like, who the hell wanna eat pepper jack cheese? Just straight pepper jack.
I have water. You want water?
This is her tablescape. She's just enough with her stuff. Enough with it.
Just like the order.
Oh, there she is. You wanna say hi? Say hi, sunshine.
Sunshine. Are you going for me just enough with me things?
Yeah, you're enough with your things. But what's all in this plate? All of this food.
This jerk chicken
Okay, jerk chicken.
and this my turkey. I'm so excited to show y'all my turkey. Make sure you see some of my birds.
That's
Nice
the
and
big
cut up.
black turkey. It has to be big and black like its owner.
I make sure I slice it up for you guys. That's my
Look at her move.
rice and peas,
Rice and peas.
my greens with my turkey neck,
Greens with turkey neck.
and then yams,
Yeah.
and then my oxtail,
You don't got no ice eggnog.
An oxtail.
and then I have potato salad and the stuff.
I'll show y'all when she put it out on the table because I don't have enough space for this.
And I
But-
have a pineapple cake. Yeah.
Oh, will she have plenty fat up? It's not me.
Whatever.
Babes, are you stuffed? Because I know you ate off all your mom's turkey.
No.
You did. No, he went to his mother and ate off all. No, he ate up all her turkey. His sister, his
If you
sister's
ever
gonna
want
be.
to know when you invite somebody to your yard and them go somewhere else, look on them big belly.
Yeah.
Why you like looking at yourself so much? Why you like looking at yourself?
Black Friday is about to begin, so you need to hurry up with the food. Wait, look at Julia. No, that's Nyla. Nyla
Like
said, what's
Julia,
up?
one of them.
Oh, when I got the savior though. No, mine's is much better, and I did it myself. She paid for this mess. I did this for free.
Jessica, just like how you disappoint me with the pie, why you think I could trust you with the hair?
Are you telling me to buy it? When we go figure buy it?
She
She
doesn't buy expired
over
pie.
there always always drinking something. He used to be drinking something. About to hit up Black Friday by myself. Marcelo gotta work. Marcelo gotta work tomorrow. What? What? They're real.
They're real. Let me see the back. I can tell if they're real.
Here. You can examine all you want. They're real.
I see people take off the top.
That's why I came to your house and I kept my shoes on. Yes.
Jaxson needs his food.
Okay, honey, I'll do it once everyone is sitting down. Jaxson already ate. Jaxson already ate. So I don't know why Jaxson over here acting like he hungry. This is my niece. Well, so she has the Gazette. She has the African American Festival. This one right here. Achievement, 5th grade. That one. That one. That one. That one. Karen Award. Honor roll. Honor roll. Honor roll. Merit. Which one is that? Honor roll. Honor roll. Honor roll. Honor roll. Honor roll. And then she has the presidential award over there. Yeah. Then she got her the president's education award program. She is so smart in that one. My niece is really, really smart. Those are just a fraction of her awards. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm proud of my niece. She's 13. What are you doing? And that's here goes the little nerd.
I was washing plates because I don't like washing plates.
Well, Thanksgiving is over. I didn't eat at my sister. I didn't eat at my sister because I had turkey and sweet potato at my mother-in-law's house. I was full off of that. Like, I'm surprised this year that I didn't eat as much, but I just wasn't hungry. I just wasn't feeling the food. It was just like, but I got a couple to-go plates, and we're home. I left my sister. I left my daughter. I left Destiny at my sister's house, and both my husband and I agreed for her to stay. And normally we don't let our daughter stay out, no matter whose house it is. But she really missed her cousin, the little girl that I was just showing you guys. She loves her, and anytime that Destiny gets to hang out with her, I approve, because that little girl is so smart. So I approve. Check. So rub off all your smartness on my baby girl. Check. So it's just hubby and I. And I think he just had a late night snack. And the boys are in bed. Jackson's in bed, and I'm about to call it a night. So happy Thanksgiving to all of my sunshines, and I hope you guys had enough to eat, are fed. You know, all of you guys are doing well, and all of you enjoyed a really good Thanksgiving with your family. I was a bit uncomfortable because my sister was there, and I don't speak to my older sister. I do not speak to her, so I was a bit uncomfortable being there, but I suck it up, and I stayed in the same place, same space with her. So, yeah, so we're about to turn into